Ugandan African Chapatti Pizza. Today, I'm here to take you through of how to make a Chapatti Pizza. It's a combination of eggs, chapati plus vegetables and cheese. Olwaleero ndi wano kuyisaamu engeri gy'oyinza okukolamu Chapatti Pizza in the professional way. Oteekamu chapati, n'oteekamu amagi, vegetables, ne ka cheese tugenda kassaamu. Gwe nawe naliko, please give this video a like the video. If you're a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe. Oba oli mupya bambi ngenda kusaba subscribing, ngenda kusaba sharing n'omuntu omulala. So we are going to get our chapati. You slice the chapati. Kwata chapati, gikwata slicing in pieces entonotono. So slice your chapati. After slicing it, you chop it. Bw'omaliriza ogikwata chopping oba ogisaleesale mu butundu oba mu pieces obutono ennyo. Remember, this is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. I'm here to take you through of how to make an African Ugandan Chapatti Pizza in Omusiisisiisi's way or Chef Josh's way. So make sure that you chop the chapati into thin pieces. Foka that chapati ogisala mu pieces obutono ennyo. After, apply your chapati pieces in the bowl. Kwata chapati zosazesazo take in bowl. Then in the bowl, you're going to apply 4 eggs. What you have to make sure that 4 eggs, we apply them in 2 chapatis. Then 1 chapati, we apply 2 eggs. Mu chapati emu tusaamu amagi 2. Mu chapati 2 tusaamu amagi 4. So tutaddemu erisooka olirabye, we have applied the first one, I've applied the second one, the third one, and the last one. So after applying 4 eggs in 2 chapatis, so you're going to whisk. Ogenda kwata obikube. You whisk. So after whisking, please like the video. Video bambi togiyitako nga togilaikinze ate omaiza olaba kwata sharing. Then apply salt. Or you season with salt and pepper. You can apply salt and white pepper. Kwata oteekemu ku munnyo. Then after apply fresh coriander or cornmeal. Kwata oteekemu cornmeal or apply fresh coriander. Then after apply spring onions. Kwata oteekemu spring onions. Kwata oteekemu obutungulu obw'ebikoola. After apply grated carrots. Kwata oteekemu carrots zo ze wagratinze. Then after you are going to apply green pepper. Apply green pepper, minced green pepper. Kwata oteekemu green pepper ogwa mincings. After, apply minced onions. After apply minced onions, then you whisk again. Omalize eroddemu whisking. Then omalize whisking, you are going to add cheese. Apply cheese. Apply grated cheese. But me I used mozzarella cheese. You can use any type of cheese you have. So koisa cheese yena goina, so grating iramu cheese. Okusobola okugyayo kiri nti notize a pizza. Applying cheese. We are going to put our pan on fire but on low heat. After putting the pan, oil it. Foka that pan yo gitadde ku muliro flat pan, ne foka that akaliro katono tekako kabutto. Bw'omaliriza, apply your chapati mixture. Apply your chapati mixture, but make sure that the heat is very low. Foka that akaliro katono nnyo. Oyina ogifumbira kaliro nga katono nnyo. Jukira nze Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. I'm Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. I'm going to request you, please comment where you're watching my video from. Ngenda kusaba commentinga wa gy'oli okulabira recipes zange. Nsi ki gy'oli okulabiramu. After, make sure that it is golden brown. Make sure that it is on low heat. Make sure that you have a flat plate. Foka that aside or enough plate yo, enough flat plate yo, gy'ogenda okubanga okozesa okukyusa. After, we are going to turn. Yes, you are going to put your plate, then you turn another side. So put your plate, then you turn another side. Take a case one yo, okyuse side endala. Ndowooza olaba kyuseza side endala. So plate just ogyetaaga mulundi gumu okukyusa omulundi ogusooka. Then omulundi omulala ojja kuyambibwako slicer, then n'engalo zo. Then you turn it. Naye Super Kitchen School, located Kayempe Choko Etula Road, tutraininga kuka Rebecca barista ne pastries mu short courses mwezi gumu myezi 3 tuina advanced certificate ya myaka 2. Super Kitchen School, we train kuka Rebecca barista and pastries. We do 100% practical hands-on. Right now, tuligaba half bursaries if you are interested. Offer accommodation to everyone who comes from far and meals. So bonna abamaliriza tubawa ne internship. Tubafuna internship mote after internship nitubafuna n'ekyokola after graduation. Tubifule registered ne ministry. So turning emirundi nga 3 kwena, turn like 4 times or 3 times. Make sure that it is dry. Make sure that it is dry and make sure that you are cooking it on low heat. This is Chef Josh twist. This is Chef Josh is twist. So gwe nawe ne yalalide ku Chapatti pizza nsweewo gitestinzeeko eya street. So make sure that you try my recipe, you try my style. Trust me, togenda kwagala kuddamu kulya Chapatti pizza ezo sanzeeyo. So after we are going to chop it, after chopping it, we are going to for the best part of the show. Aunga Chef Josh ayingiddewo to test. Okutestinga chiche enfumbi. Osinga bagenda kungamba Chef Josh the beard Z, Chef Josh ebirevu. Yes. So I'm testing. Remember, from my kitchen to your kitchen, and you feel the taste. Nange Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi ne basika. Gwe naliko, please like the video. Bomaizo likinga, gisharinge n'omuntu omulala. Bomaizo sharinga, oli mupya subscribinga. Mbagala nyo, see you.